Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dan from Fisher Jeep Adventures, and today we're going to go over some interior lighting for the Jeep JLU. We're getting ready to go do the Georgia Traverse, which sits in the corner of South Carolina, Georgia, and Tennessee. We're going to go for I think two or 3 days, maybe 4. Just kind of depends on the weather's supposed to be good this coming up weekend or so. And we wanted to get some extra lighting in the back of the JLU. So what we ended up doing is we ordered some magnetic lights from Lux Lighting. And basically, these are LEDs that have an earth magnet on them, so they stick to stuff. They've been used as rock lights, but we're going to use them in the back of the Jeep for lighting. So I've already kind of put them in, and if you can see them, they're sitting right there on the backbone system on both sides. So we wired them up. I made a nice little bracket out of aluminum, got a 2-gang switch, and wired that up, and we got nice bright lights. So I just wanted to be able to light the back of this up at nighttime, so that we can see what we're doing when we're cooking. So I'll let it get a little bit darker and go from there. But they're pretty bright, given how it's hit. So you turn them off, and like I said, all they are just stuck right to the back of the backbone system. And apparently the way that they work, the magnet on the light helps keep everything cool as they're flowing. So we'll let it get dark, and I'll show you what it looks like once we get. Alright guys, so that was the video of the Lux magnetic LED lights. Something simple, quick, easy. I think it's going to work great for us, and I'll leave a link in the description below. So if you liked the video, please give us a like, leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and join us as we get ready to go on the Georgia Traverse. So it should be a good time for everyone. And hopefully we'll get some cool camping and maybe some good trails. So this is Dan from Fisher Jeep Adventures, and we'll see you on the trail.